Phnom Penh River Front, also known as Sesawath Key, is a scenic promenade along the Tonle Sap River in the heart of Phnom Penh, Cambodia. It's a popular destination for both locals and tourists, offering a mix of relaxation, entertainment, and stunning views. Here's what you can expect. Stunning views. Watch the sunset over the river, enjoy the scenic views of the surrounding landscape, and take in the bustling atmosphere. Street food and drinks. Try local street food, fresh coconut water, and cold beers from vendors along the promenade. Restaurants and bars. Choose from a variety of restaurants and bars offering Cambodian, international, and fusion cuisine. Nightlife. The riverfront transforms into a lively nightlife spot with bars, clubs, and live music venues. Shopping. Browse local markets, souvenir shops, and boutiques, selling everything from traditional crafts to modern fashion. Boat cruises. Take a romantic dinner cruise or a sunset cruise along the Tonle Sap River. Walking and cycling. Stroll or bike along the promenade, enjoying the fresh air and scenic views. Events and festivals. The riverfront hosts various events, such as concerts, festivals, and cultural performances. Tips: be prepared for crowds and vendors approaching you. Bargain politely when shopping. Try local street food, but ensure food safety. Respect local customs and dress modestly. Stay hydrated and wear sunscreen. The Phnom Penh Riverfront is a must-visit destination, offering a unique blend of relaxation, culture, and entertainment. Enjoy your time there.